welcome back to my channel. Today we're sitting at my vanity, so the thing that's always behind me in my videos, and I'm just gonna do a really simple sit down spring get ready with me. I want to show you kind of what I have been doing to give my face like a really nice, healthy looking awake look. Using kind of spring colors. I've been really loving to incorporate pink into my eyes and just kind of refreshing everything for the upcoming spring season. I know it's not here yet, but redoing my makeup routine kind of helps me get excited about the coming season. So if you want to kind of sit down and get ready with me and see what I have been doing for my makeup and my hair lately, then just keep on watching. Well, this is off to a great start. So basically, I just primed my face with the Master Prime by Maybelline, the Blur and Illuminate one. This one gives my face a really nice dewy base. And then I did my concealer. I only do concealer on an everyday basis. So I used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And then I used the Cat Rice liquid camouflage concealer, and I will link everything I use down in the comments below. I love these in combination. This one for like an all over kind of concealer, and this one to kind of go back in and cover up some more of my under eyes. And now I'm going to switch to a voiceover because some people decided that it was a good day to leaf blow even though it's raining. So I'm going to do that now, and I will show you the rest of my makeup routine. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking my Park Avenue Princess just kind of contour palette, and I'm using the lightest shade to do a little bit of powdering around my face just with my Real Techniques blending sponge. And then I'm just kind of setting down a base contour, and then I'm going to use a brush to blend that all out. And now I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm going to do a little bit of contouring on my nose. I really have been liking to try this out just to see how it looks, and I tap in the excess again with that same sponge. Next is blush. This is one of my favorite Revlon blushes. I will leave the name on the screen for you, and I'm just going to swipe that across my cheeks. Now I'm going to take my little Tarteist Pro Glow To Go, and I'm taking the highlight shade in it and just swiping it wherever I need highlight. And now I'm just going to do my normal eyebrow routine. I do this in every makeup tutorial because we all know I cannot stop using my L'Oreal Brow Stylist. Kind of a problem because I should probably try out new things. And now I'm taking my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. I'm just reaching in for that color there. Again, I'll leave all the names of the colors on the screen. It's my favorite crease shade ever. And then I'm just going to dive in and do my eye look for the day. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and then I just brush them through at the end as well. I'm just going to touch up my face a little bit, and then I'm going to put on some lipstick. I'm going to use the Julienne's Nude by L'Oreal. It's my favorite summer and spring shade. And now, I was supposed to show you how I straighten my hair, but it got cropped out of the frame. But basically, I just separate it into two sections, and I just run the straightener over it. It's really that simple. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my spring hair and makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today. It was really fun filming this. My everyday makeup routines, I like to keep them simple and really fast because oftentimes I'm getting ready for work and I have to get out the door. But I've really been enjoying digging into my eyeshadow palettes lately and finding all of like the pinky and peachy tones just to really make my look stand out and be more spring-like. I've also really been enjoying straightening my hair lately. I used to wear it curly a lot, but straightening is so much faster. But my straightener is quite old, so the frizziness doesn't really go away too much. But it gets a lot of the waviness out, which is really great. I should probably look into getting a new one of these, so if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments for me below. And yeah, as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll leave all the products I used down in the description box for you. Also, if you're not subscribed already, I would love to have you join my channel. So head on down there and hit the subscribe button. That would mean so much to me. Also, remember to always keep blushing forward, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!